Private members of a class. Are private attributes really private? In our last lesson we have learned a lot about various types of class members: public, private and protected. In this lesson we will deep dive into the inside story of private members of a class. Here we will learn that private members are not private in real sense. So, let's begin. First of all, let's define a class with public attributes and create an object of that class. Here person is a class and name is a public attribute. Name is initialized by the constructor, init. This is very simple class. Let's create an object of this class. As the name is public, we can easily access it from outside the class. Even we can change the attribute from outside. Name changed to Paul. The same object, but the name attribute is changed from outside. This is shown just for an example. Now let's change the name attribute as a private attribute. When we try to access it, it throws an attribute error exception. It says that the person object has no attribute _name. This is because we have made the name attribute private by prefixing it with double underscores. So, how can we access this private attribute from outside the class? Let's add a public method that will return this attribute. So, we get access to the private attribute indirectly through a public getter method. Actually, classes should be defined in this manner. Critical attributes need to be made private and accesses should be given through public methods. Up to this point, everything is working fine, as per the access modifiers used. But now we will see how we can breach this access restriction. Let's display the elements of the instance dictionary _dict_. Note that _dict_ is a dictionary used to store an object's attributes. Only the writable attributes are stored in this dictionary. Obviously, our class, person has only one writable attribute, name. So, this should be present in the instance dictionary. And here it is. But it is prefixed with _person. That is, prefixed with an underscore and the class name where it belongs. Let's add another public attribute ID underscore number here and check how it is saved in the instance dictionary. As we can see here, in case of a public attribute, it is not prefixed with an underscore and class name as is the case for the private attributes. This technique of prefixing private attributes with an underscore and the class name is known as name mangling. Now we will see that name mangling protects a private attribute from inadvertent or accidental overriding outside the class or by the subclasses. If we want to change it forcefully, we can do it. Here is an example. Now let's view the instance dictionary again. As we can see, the name attribute now holds Paul. That is, we are able to change even the private attributes if we misuse the name mangling feature. So, we can rightly say that private attributes are not private in a true sense. I hope that you have enjoyed the lesson. Let me finish here. Thank you very much for watching this lesson up to the end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more such useful lessons. Happy coding, bye!